In order to meet the demands of the expanding population, the transportation sectors around the world are evolving quickly and investing in cleaner, faster, and better modes of transportation. The UAE government is also working to adopt cutting-edge technologies to meet people's needs for urban transportation. The Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, has announced the creation of the Dubai SkyPod transport system as one recent move in that approach. In this video, we will provide you detailed insights into Dubai SkyPod. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for such amazing videos. Let's get started. Dubai SkyPod transport system. The RTA launched the Dubai SkyPod transport system, also known as the Dubai SkyPod transit system, to help the government reach its target of having 25% of Dubai's public transportation be automated, driverless, and smart by 2030. The project, which is anticipated to revolutionize the city's transportation system, has already seen extensive construction. The high-speed transportation system, which resembles a cable car, will be made up of suspended pods. The project will have about 21 stations and operate alongside the Dubai Metro. It will be capable of carrying 8,400 passengers per hour in each direction at an actual speed of 150 kph. According to preliminary calculations, this project will save transportation costs overall by 44%. This will result in annual savings of approximately 900 million AED. The Dubai SkyPod transit system is anticipated to save at least AED 1.5 billion annually while reducing emissions by 12%. The Dubai SkyPod project will have a low impact on the environment. When compared to the current system, it will use 10 times less infrastructure and 5 times less electricity than electric vehicles already on the market. As a result, pollution will be decreased, and the government's sustainability objectives will be met. All you need to know about the SkyPod transport system. Due to its great monarch's inspiring vision and early use of contemporary technologies, Dubai has quickly developed into a well-known tourist destination and a major worldwide corporate center. One of the greatest in the world, Dubai's public transportation system effectively connects inhabitants to most parts of the emirate. However, as the population has grown, so has the demand for public services. As a result, all governmental entities in the emirate have been collaborating closely to keep on top of developments and continuously innovate the system. There has been talking about the SkyPod transport system project for a while. The RTA has given the prestigious contract to work on the project to a British company, Beamcar, after weighing the different possibilities and plans submitted by top urban planning firms from across the world. The Dubai SkyPod system will essentially offer high-speed cable car transportation, allowing travelers to avoid typical traffic jams. It currently serves as a tourist attraction in hill towns in a considerably simpler form. A monorail and the conventional ski lift have been combined to create the SkyPods that will be utilized in Dubai. Because of this, if one pod stops in the beam, all pods will stop moving. About 50 kilometers will be covered in total. The maximum speed would be 30 mph, 50 km per hour. Every pod has a climate control system, so whether it's a beautiful day or it's pouring outside, the temperature inside the pod will stay comfortable thanks to the system's built-in air conditioning and heating. How will the SkyPod work? Linear motors will provide the thrust and the braking system for RTA's Dubai SkyPods. A hollow, lightweight beam will be used to suspend the SkyPod Dubai over the road. The beam will be situated 7.5 meters above the surface of the Earth. However, for a smooth trip, the pods will always remain horizontal. Although every pod is designed to operate independently, it is also possible to synchronize operations thanks to programming. As a result, if one steam pod quits, the entire steam stops. SkyPods Dubai will travel for approximately 50 kilometers. The peak speed is predicted to be 30 mph, 50 km per hour. In addition, all of the pods will have climate controls. The climate controller system ensures that the temperature inside the pod remains comfortable regardless of the weather. Passengers in wheelchairs, bicycles, pushchairs and mobility scooters will also be able to board the train. A simplified version of the Dubai SkyPod is now operating as a tourist attraction in hill stations. Your journey on a Dubai SkyPod. At the stops on the ground level, passengers will board the pods. The pod will ascend to the main beam once it has boarded, where there is a space between the other pods. The touch screen will allow passengers to enter their destination. Passengers shall face ahead at all times. When a passenger is ready to disembark, the pod will descend to ground level and take them there. To ensure that people using wheelchairs, mobility scooters, and bicycles with pushchairs can board, facilities will be made available. Dubai SkyPod stations. According to the proposed plan, there will be 21 Dubai SkyPod stations in total, and they can carry over 8,400 passengers an hour in one direction. Inside the Dubai SkyPod, you can avoid typical traffic jams with the use of the Dubai SkyPod transportation system. The dimensions of each pod's 4 seats are 2m wide by 2.5m long by 2m high. Every seat will have a forward-facing design and be arranged in 2 rows. The rear seats will be raised so that both the front and back rows may enjoy the scenery. To bypass the typical road traffic jams, the Dubai SkyPod system will essentially offer high-speed cable car transit. SkyPods, which will be utilized for transportation in Dubai, are described as a hybrid of the traditional ski lift and a monorail. Dubai SkyPod Transport System Map. According to the official map of the Dubai SkyPod Transport System, it will connect Business Bay to Al Wasl, passing through the Coca-Cola Arena, the DIFC, the Burj Khalifa, Marassi Drive, Bay Avenue, Sheikh Zayed Road, and Bay Avenue. Residents may simply avoid traffic thanks to this new transportation system, which is obviously advantageous. SkyPod implementation will also lessen the load on other public transportation systems like buses and the Dubai Metro. Additionally, a decline in pollution is to be anticipated, which will aid the city in achieving its aspirational sustainability objectives. The SkyPod transportation system's automated drive can significantly lower expenses in terms of numbers. Early projections indicate that this project will reduce transportation costs overall by 44%. This essentially amounts to annual savings of a staggering 900 million AED. Additionally, it will cut emissions by 12%, saving at least AED 1.5 billion annually. Compared to other electric vehicles currently on the market, SkyPods use 5 times less electricity. They are therefore also environmentally beneficial. Other autonomous transportation initiatives, besides SkyPods Dubai, are also in development. A transportation industry game-changer would be the Dubai Abu Dhabi Hyperloop 1. Another initiative along these lines is RTA flying cars. These advantages pertain to the entire campaign, but the SkyPod technology will be a crucial step in attaining that goal. In a word, this initiative will eventually be beneficial to the people of Dubai. What are they saying? The honorable riders will benefit from this project, according to Mudar Mohammed Al-Tayer, Director General and Chairman of the Board of Executive Directors of RTA. The agreement's signing is a component of RTA's efforts to implement autonomous transit systems following the Dubai self-driving transport strategy, which aims to redirect 25% of Dubai's total mobility trips to autonomous transit systems by 2030. The action fits with RTA's efforts to improve mass transit mode integration and provide a solution to the first and last mile problem, which aids commuters in reaching their destination. No timeframe for the project's completion has been provided as of yet. However, given Dubai's track record for creative projects, we anticipate it will be completed quickly. When finished, SkyPods will not only make life easier for Dubai residents but also the commute more enjoyable. The occupants of this modern community will be able to take aerial views of Dubai. Additionally, it would undoubtedly be a pleasant experience following a long day at work. In a few years, we can anticipate this service becoming accessible. At this time, while the world struggles to contain the coronavirus pandemic, you must exercise caution and heed all official directives. Due to the coronavirus, the majority of public transportation services have been temporarily halted. And to protect everyone's safety when traveling, be sure to abide by these public transportation safety recommendations. That's it, guys. To conclude the video, SkyPods will be able to go to areas where the metro cannot. Dubai has begun moves to provide a completely new mode of transportation to the city. The SkyPods, which will run alongside the Dubai Metro, will be able to transport 2 to 5 passengers along predetermined routes throughout the city. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Leave a like and pin down your thoughts in the comment section. Share it with your friends and families. Till then, see you all. Bye bye.